We're now on step 7 of our home addition project, installing the exterior plywood sheathing. This step adds strength to the structure and sets the stage for siding and house wrap. Step 7. Exterior plywood sheathing. Once the framing inspection has passed, we begin installing the exterior plywood sheathing. We start from the bottom, securing each panel to the studs with nails or screws, leaving small gaps for expansion. Openings for windows, doors, and vents are cut precisely. This sheathing strengthens the walls, creates a flat surface for siding and house wrap, and prepares the home for the next phase of construction. And that's it for step 7, exterior plywood sheathing. With the walls reinforced and ready, we're one step closer to enclosing the home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss step 8 in our home addition series.